Hey, I'm Erica with WTI, and if you've been looking for blackout curtains that also help keep your room cool, then look no further than these Hiasan thermal insulated blackout curtains. These have been an awesome addition to our bedroom.
So here's our bedroom on a bright sunny day with the curtains open. And then look at the difference these curtains make. The room is almost completely dark and it makes the room so cool. And you can also see that the quality of the stitching is really nice. It really stood out to me. Plus, it has those nice metal grommets at the top, so they slide beautifully on curtain rods. They don't get hung up, and it's a really nice detail and a nice decorative detail as well. And these curtains have the tiebacks stitched to them, so you don't have to worry about losing them. You can just crisscross them in the back and then make a cute little tie in the front if you want to tie these back to get them out of your way during the day. And then when you untie them, they fold nicely behind the curtain and you can't even tell they're there.
These are beautiful, high quality curtains and come in a multitude of colors to fit any type of decor. I think they'll be a great addition to your home, and that's my point of view.